Welcome to Lucerne Lakes. Today, we are excited to share with you this charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath home in this wonderful 55-plus community.
With 1,325 square feet of living space and a relaxing patio, you're never gonna want to leave your home.
Here you have your hurricane-rated garage door, and inside you have your washer and dryer, which is super convenient. Plus, around the entire property, you have accordion shutters, perfect for any hurricane season. Check out this beautiful tile flooring. It is easy to maintain, and visually speaking, it is in fantastic shape. And it flows nicely into your bonus room.
Your Galley Kitchen is in great condition thanks to these long granite countertops. Oh, and you also have a breakfast nook behind me, both of which are perfect for serving the ones that you loved. Now let's talk about the primary bedroom, the secondary bedroom, and the bathrooms. They're all spacious and well maintained. This 2-part patio is a great place to relax, especially in this section because it is hard covered and screened in, protecting you from the rain and from the bugs.
This pet-friendly community has all sorts of amenities like a pool, tennis courts, and a clubhouse, all with low HOA dues that even include cable.
Oh, and we almost forgot, this home can be yours fully furnished, partially furnished, or not furnished at all, depending on your needs.
On top of all that greatness, you're guaranteed to stay cool with this 2020 AC.
Thank you for spending some time with us today. If you'll love to see this great home, reach out to Jennifer Conica.
Please do.
She'll love to show it to you. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button and notification bell.